Welcome to CJ Wild Money Entertainments. Hi, honeybees. That's what I call my subscribers. And I got a box in the mail, and we're gonna open it and see what's inside. Get to use the knife. Get to use the knife. Okay. There. There. Bye-bye now. Okay. Let's see what's in here. This is a portable air cooler fan. So this is a portable AC. So let's take this off and see what comes in the box. Need this. Need this. You don't need this box. And if you've ever been to my channel before, I don't do any tech without reading their instructions. So we'll be back up close and personal on this portable AC. It's summertime. Who don't need a portable AC? If you're interested in this portable AC, in the description, in the video description below this will be a link, and you can hit on it and get ahead and see if you are interested in a portable AC. This is the plug that it uses. You can plug this into your laptop, into AC adapter, into a power bank. This is the water reserve, and this right here is where the mist comes out of. And you slide this to put the water and the ice cubes in here, and then you slide this back. This right here matches up with this right here. And it goes in here like this. Okay. At the top of this is the power on, the lights, the mist, and the light for the AC unit. There's a light here and the light here. And your main power button is over here in the corner. You just press it. Here, lights as well. The buttons on top lights up as well to let you know that it's on. The light for the fan, the light for the reserve, night light, as well as the power on and off. The reserve tank lights up itself. The fan lights up itself as a night light. The knob on the side adjusts the vents up and down. And this is where the mist come out, or you can cut the mist off. This second controls the light inside the blinds. And that changes colors. It's powerful. The mist is definitely coming out good. And I guess the colder the water, the cold air will come out to this unit. Throw your likes up. If you like this video, slap that subscribe button because you want to see more of me and my things and my stuff and things.